Hello IG Garage family. Imagine this, you're driving and suddenly your car starts misfiring and the check engine light pops on. You grab your scanner and boom, it's code P0313, misfire detected with low fuel. What does that mean, and how can you fix it? Stay tuned because in this video we'll decode P0313, find the exact sensor locations, and get your car running smoothly again. Let's dive in. P0313 indicates that your engine has detected a misfire, and it's related to a low fuel level. This can happen due to fuel delivery problems, a weak ignition system, or even bad sensors. Ignoring it could lead to engine damage, so it's crucial to address it quickly. To tackle P0313, focus on these critical sensors. Crankshaft position sensor. Found at the bottom of the engine near the crankshaft pulley. It tracks the engine's rotation and helps detect misfires. Fuel rail pressure sensor. Located on the fuel rail near the injectors, it monitors the fuel pressure to ensure the engine gets the right amount of fuel. Mass airflow (MAF) sensor. Positioned between the air filter box and the throttle body, it calculates the air entering the engine, crucial for proper combustion. Here's how to know if you have a P0313 issue. Symptoms include engine misfires, especially under load, rough idling or stalling, poor acceleration, and reduced fuel economy. Common causes are running your car on low fuel, a failing crankshaft position sensor, and dirty or failing fuel injectors. Here's how to fix it. Start by ensuring your fuel tank is above 1/4 full to avoid fuel delivery issues. Inspect the crankshaft position sensor for dirt or damage. Clean or replace it if necessary. Check the fuel rail pressure sensor and test for accurate readings. Replace it if faulty. Clean or replace the MAF sensor to ensure proper air-to-fuel ratio. Clear the code using an obd2 scanner and take the car for a test drive to confirm the fix. And that's how you solve a P0313 code. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car care tips. Don't miss our video on P0125 to learn about insufficient coolant temperature issues or P0562 for low system voltage troubleshooting. See you in the next video.